scared to come outside, Mo 3. I be trapping hard, dope beat. What you know about pedigree or Roxanne? They just bear with me. We like.
What's good, y'all? It's Tim Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. And today, as you can tell by the title, we have the Foamposite Pro Pearl. So, before we get into the review, make sure y'all get us to 2,000 subscribers. We're trying to get there by the end of the year. So y'all share the video, share with your family, your friends, and keep supporting. And also, we have some new videos out now, so make sure y'all go watch. We have the Shadow 10s, and we also have the Taxi 12s. So make sure y'all go watch those videos. I also did a review on those Air Jordan 1s, the Voodoos. So make sure y'all go watch that too. All right. Let's get into the review. As you can see, we have a black box, black Nike box. Size tag says pearl white, white, and black. This is how they come wrapped. Again, this is a pro. They are going to drop more pros. They've been dropping some Foamposites, but they're going to start dropping the Foamposite Pros. So y'all be sure to look out for that. And we definitely going to do reviews on it. But this is how they look. We have that pearl white color. Black Nike check. Black lacing. We have this pull tab right here that's red and black. And then it says Air right here. Then on the heel, we have Foamposite and then a Nike check embroidered red and white. All right. And then this is the bottom. We have this translucent bottom. And then it has red and then it has a white Nike check. Almost forgot they have this white embroidered Nike check near the toe box. Yeah, this is a clean shoe. I like them. I'm not the biggest fan of Foamposites, but I like the shoe. I like the big Nike check. It's like a bubble. And this is the carbon fiber right here. On the inside, not really going to show y'all the inside, but it does come with this. Cardboard shoe tree. And then it has a red Nike check in there, and it says Air. So make sure y'all shoe has all those details. They are releasing November 8th. My first question is, are y'all even going to cop these? Because there's another shoe that's coming out on the 8th, which is the Taxi 12s. And there's also so many shoes that's dropping. Got the Gammas, Rare Air 11s, Taxis, Shadow 10s. There's so many shoes dropping. Is this worth even copping? I think personally it's going to sell well. It's a pro, but however, all Foamposites have been sitting. This is an iconic colorway. These did drop 1997 and was worn by a couple athletes. I know Tim Duncan wore it, Allen Iverson, people like that. So I'm interested to see what these do. I mean, despite some of these shoes being iconic and, you know, everybody wanted them, they're sought after, they've been sitting. I know the Pine Green Foamposite Pros is coming out soon on December 19th, so I'm interested to see how those do as well. So again, this pretty much wraps up the review. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments, are y'all copping these? Do y'all think Nike is pushing out too many good shoes and people are having to choose considering the economic climate right now? Or do you think Nike doing what they supposed to do? But thank y'all for watching.
When you beat the body in a studio, they say my style is original. I'm getting